Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a newsletter with Canva full 2026 guide. Whether it's for work, school, or personal projects, you'll see just how easy it is to design and customize a professional looking newsletter. So yeah, let's get started. First, log into your Canva account. If you don't have one, you can quickly sign up using your email or Google account. Once you're in, go to the search bar and type newsletter to see all the available templates. Now, browse the templates and pick one that fits your style. You can preview each template by hovering over it and clicking Use Template when you find the one you like. This saves you time instead of starting from scratch. All right, once the template is open, start customizing it. You can change text, fonts, colors, images, and even add icons or logos. Canva makes it super easy. You just click and type or drag and drop elements wherever you want. If you need more content, you can add sections or pages. Just click Add Page at the bottom, then continue designing. This is great if your newsletter is longer than one page. Once your newsletter looks perfect, take a moment to review everything. Then click the download button, choose your preferred file type, like PDF, and save it to your computer. And yeah, it's ready to share via email, print, or online. And that's it. You've successfully created a newsletter with Canva. It's really that easy and fun. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss my future guides. Thanks for watching. Or